besties. Let's handle some business, pay some bills, and get our day started. It's the end of the day. Yeah. Woo! Oh wow, where are you going?
I went to school. Are you going shopping today?
Yes, I'm getting ready to go to the store now. I was just telling all my besties that I'm getting ready to go because it's the end of the day. I gotta shut down and log out. I've already logged out.
Dang it.
So we about to go shopping. Hello besties. Grocery haul with the Sam's Club. What are these things? Peanut butter crackers. A 36 count snack of pudding is chocolate and vanilla. We got some powdered donuts. Big Texas cinnamon rolls. We got the Count Chocula marshmallows, cinnamon toast. We got the 40 packs of instant oatmeal, Hershey's chocolate fudge brownie mix, string cheese, regular sliced cheese, Baby Bell cheese, bacon, already boiled eggs, 3 things of the pizza Lunchables, bacon, canned chicken, steak and cheese Uno things for hubby for lunch, Angus cheeseburgers for my lunch. I also got him some quesadillas and chicken and cheese quesadillas for his lunch. We got chewy granola bars, Rice Krispie treats, and of course the fruit snacks. Oreo cookies, Chips Ahoy and the golden Oreo cookies, diced peaches and mandarin oranges, of course Go-Gurt. And then I picked up the PB&J wafer sticks. It's peanut butter filled wafer sticks with strawberry dip. I will let you know if the kids like it. 2 cases of water, a case of Pepsi, 2 cases of Kool-Aid jammers, 1 Mountain Dew, 1 thing of chocolate milk, and a Snapple juice drink, 2 boxes of the Utz flavors. There they all are. A thing of Donut Shop coffee, 2 of the 24 count eggs. What is this? This is 3 bag of Kellogg's cereal. It's Corn Pops, Fruit Loops, Apple Jacks, peanut butter and jelly Uncrustables, a 3 pack of Hellmann's mayonnaise, a big thing of lemon iced tea, some taco seasoning, strawberry, cherry, blueberry Pop-Tarts, chocolate chip muffins, little bites, 2 double pack of King's Hawaiian rolls. I picked up steak. This is roast beef. Pot roast, a thing of smoked sausage, boneless chicken bites, grilled chicken bites, because these are going to be my salads. And this is the Sam's Club dupe for the Chick-fil-A chicken nuggets. This is the Chick-fil-A dupe. That is all for this haul. Now it's time to put it all away. Hello, besties. Final haul of the night. I went to Walmart. There's food on this side, non-food over there. So we got Supreme Deep Dish Pizza, 4-meat Red Baron Pizza, a gallon of milk, a loaf of bread, a dozen eggs. These are the Quest S'mores protein bars for husband, because y'all know he needs extra protein. Hello. These are dipped chocolate chip cookie dough, 18 grams protein. And we got the nacho cheese and the loaded tacos. I got 3 of the chicken dunks Lunchables for the kids for dinner. Lemonade, strawberry lemonade, grape value juice, chocolate punch juice for husband. Honey butter, regular butter, Polynesian Chick-fil-A sauce, the regular honey mustard Chick-fil-A, and the sweet onion teriyaki Subway sauce. And these craveable combos. This one is sharp cheddar, white cheddar cheese, almonds, and cranberries. This one is white cheddar cheese with chocolate chunks and raspberry flavored dried cranberries and graham cracker bites. And this one has cashews, cheddar cheese, and cranberries. And for non-stuff, this Always disposable period underwear for the girls. I needed 2, but they only had 1. These rectangular divided lunch containers / bento boxes, whatever you want to call them. They were on clearance for $1.50. So I got 2 of these with the compartments. I got 2 of the squares and 1 of the circles. And shout out to Miss Bridget, because she put a girl onto the pulling oil. So I'm going to try this and see if it works. I hope it does, but we will see. And I picked up a Febreze plug-in and the Gain Scent. Now the plug-in itself was $3 and some change, but the whole kit was only $5. So I'm like, well, I might as well just spend the extra $2 and get the thing. So I got that. And I think of garbage bags. And that is all for my haul. Put it away.